सेक्शन घेऊन जायचं इन्स्पेक्ट आंबे
अगेंस्ट साइड है
कंपल्सरी आहे बाय पहिली विचार झालं
कंप्लीट बॅन तुम्ही पावना समजा मेळ्यो जाल्यार आमी फायन इश्यू करतले कपड्याच्यो बॅग्स हांगा अवेलेबल आसतल्यो सो लोकांनी जाय जाल्यार त्यो घेवच्यो तांचे कडल्यान प्लास्टिकान कांयच दिवपाचें ना कळ्ळें अश्यो क्लॉथाच्यो कपड्याच्यो बॅग्स
तुमी तुका दवर दाखय तूं लोकांक बाबा ही पळय ते विकते घेवन मागीर घालपाचें
प्लास्टीक
20 रुपया
वापरूंक जायना तुमी जाणा प्लास्टिका खातीर कितें परिणाम जाता पर्यावरणाक प्लास्टीक वापरूंक
जाल्यार तुमी ते घेवन दवरा आनी तांकां दिया 20 रुपया ताका फारीक कर थंय वचून हेच्या पेक्षा बेटर
नाजाल्यार फायन आसतली 5,000 10,000 फायनी मारतले आमी पयलींच तुमकां सांगता प्लास्टीक घेवं नाका
थोडे बॅग घेवन दवर तुजे कडेन
Sir, at the Ashtami stall, you have given the cloth bag. So, what is it exactly?
So the same. Now we had started with that with Amchi Poti distribution in the market. Now we have the ferry that is going on also. Now we have about 230 stalls or something that have set up so far. So we want to encourage them to basically give the cloth bags also instead of single-use plastic. So this is part of our campaign. So we have to make all the vendors and everything aware that there are bags that are available to be sold or rented out to the customer. So the same stalls, we will set up 3 of these stalls over here at the thing, and we'll encourage all of the vendors to and all of the people who come here to shop to also basically buy the bag, because it will help in overall reduction.
If they don't, you'll going to be fined.
So there are big fines. So yeah, so our municipality people will be here and they will be fining everybody. Our fines are pretty heavy. It's 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees for these fines. That is the only way we will achieve this plastic-free thing that we're trying to get done also. So this is an effort that we're making to get it done.
mere complete ban on the plastic because there is certain limit is there no, on the plastic.
There are some 130 microns or something is there permissible, but that is not so readily available over here. See now for dry goods, these cloth bags and all are enough. It's only in the fish market where you have an issue. So this will not handle. So that also we try to look for alternatives. So we found like these plastic bags, these but it's too expensive. It comes up to 150, 200 rupees. They're very expensive. So we're trying to work out cheaper alternatives for that. But as of now, for dry goods and everything, you can use a cloth bag. There's no reason to use a plastic one. So we're starting with this first.
We are initially only target this ferry. We are not circulating over all the municipalities.
See, this plan now will extend throughout the corporation. But now we have to start with our properties and with our events first. So if it's successful here, then we want to replicate it throughout the city. We are in the process of doing that as well.
Any message for the public to use the cloth bags?
No, so I would like please advise, please ask everyone to bring their own bags when they come to do any sort of shopping, whether it's in the market or shopping, because it actually helps a lot of our drains, a lot of our litter is basically only single-use plastic litter. So we need everybody's help to try and curtail this. So I just ask people to please.
Mere how many numbers of stalls are there today?
No, so as of now, sold.
So number of stalls, yeah.
See, total there are supposed to be 400 stalls, and it's sold around 230 something like that.
How much money has been generated?
That commissioner will give you the details. I'm not saying. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There's a bag.
उनको दिले ऑलरेडी
I'll do the same here.
तो भेज दूसरा का
Bye.